Hello everyone, my name is Calvin Orr. Welcome to my channel. I have decided today that we might be going to visit a buddy's apartment today. So let's get to it. Holy crap, I didn't expect it to be so humid out here. It's like 10:25 in the morning. Jeez. Let's fire her up. Smooth. It is so freaking hot in here. I'm already breaking a dang sweat, bro. Luckily, I have working AC. When I owned a Ford F-150 2004, I had no AC in that, so I'm glad to have my 2009 Volkswagen Jetta SE sedan. It's great. I had to turn red at the wrong time, really? Yes, I also have to wear glasses to drive since I'm super farsighted and blind in both eyes. Aww. And yeah, I've basically been driving with glasses ever since the start of when I got my license, permit, and everything else. I just got to my buddy's apartment. I'm guessing they're still asleep. I don't know. Let's go check it out. Oh, super slumped. Everybody is slumped. But you lacking, boy. That absolutely loves me. Like, it is super, super adorable, aren't you? Like, from the start of when they got it, originally called it Garfield, but its name is actually Peaches. Aww. Whee!
Are you gonna say it?
Is this cat one for me, bro? Weave, weave, weave. Sorry, you can't come with me. I'm sorry, you can't come with me. No. Alright, so basically everyone's still asleep because they got there late last night. So we are going to do something else. Yeah. Let's not get any greeter, buddy. Everybody else just really despise really slow traffic. Oh, just me, okay. That would be a great idea for a video. Exploring the woods at nighttime. A whole bunch of buddies of mine. Might hit them up, get everybody we can out there, and make a video about it. Get some Pampers for the babies that don't want to go to the forest at nighttime. You know what, let's get some Cocoa Pebbles, because why not? Let's go. All right, the next stop is going to be Walmart. Holy crap, it's freaking hot in here. About 2 months ago, me and my buddies decided to go to almost every single store with air horns, and we got kicked out of pretty much all of them besides Menards. So yeah, I should have made some content about that, but expect that real soon. Hey, yo, chill out with that. Bro, that was so funny. Why are they playing this music here? I am the Terminator. I'm looking for Sarah Connor. I already have everything on display for Halloween. It's pretty sick. I want one. Ah, they're all mine. They're all mine. I'm just going to surgically remove this. I like how we just bought these and we're cutting it pretty close to fall. And I've had a pair of these actually. Like a few pairs of like sunglasses like this, and they were either broken or got lost. But yeah, let's see what other store we can hit. I always leave my glasses on my dash, so every single time I leave them here in the car, they're always freaking hot. Every single time I put them on my face, it feels like my nose and my ears are getting burned. And look how freaking sweaty my arm is. It is hot out here. I'm now at the only store that we did not get kicked out of at all. Even like after blowing it like simultaneously all together a whole bunch of times. So yeah, let's get in there. Big money at my Nards. Well, I might actually try to find clips of us blowing the air horns in the store and actually put them right here. What was that? Alright, we out of here. I don't see anything that I need, really. Suppose I would probably head back to my place now. eat these Bussin' Cocoa Pebbles. Yo, is that a yellow truck? I believe that is a bingo. Smacking. Absolutely bussin'. Gosh dang, I just spilled some on my white t-shirt, bro. Dang. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, comment, whatever. If you have any ideas for me to make any videos, just let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.